there's a lot of people. Manny.
Thanks for coming.
Yeah,
where's your friend?
He's right here.
He's not here. I don't know.
Oh, you don't know him, you don't know him.
Os senhores que fizeram o vídeo comigo.
Olá,
O meu
prazer.
primo, Jeffrey Gouveia.
Jeff Gouveia, este é o André.
Com esta obra da Cheia e a minha, já tive a oportunidade de vê-la. Nós, a Câmara de Funchal pretende dar visibilidade e continuar a dar visibilidade e voz a histórias como a história do Sr. Manuel.
Cara Cláudia, caro Manuel, minhas senhoras e meus senhores, muito boa tarde. Deixem-me dizer da alegria de fazer parte de um momento tão importante como este, que é de dar voz à memória.
We're back, all right? It's been a couple of weeks, we're back, and we're at my cousin Manny's event. We're very excited, all right? We're coming towards the end of the event, but you guys are gonna get to see the beginning. I'm very excited about this. I've been excited for a while. It's a big moment for my cousin, and not only for my cousin, but I think the story of his book and everything that's coming out is absolutely fantastic, all to do about immigration. We were gonna talk about drinks, and funny enough, I've had this drink in my hand for the last like 20 minutes or something. I haven't had a chance to have a sip because there's been so many great people around. So I want to say thank you to everyone who's here. Manny, congratulations once more, and let's rewind this video and talk a little bit more about Manny's story once again. Manny, thank you, my friend.
Gratidão. Hoje cumpro o sonho, o de ver a minha história publicada em livro. Foi uma história bonita. A história de um rapaz que saiu de casa com 12 anos, deixa a família para ir para a África do Sul à procura de uma vida melhor e para fugir à guerra. Há alguns anos, no Centro de Estudos de História do Atlântico, fui recebido pelo professor Dr. Alberto Vieira e pela sua equipa, que hoje está aqui comigo, Dra. Graça e Dra. Cláudia, para fazer parte do projeto Memórias da Gente que Fazem a História. Contei a minha vida, levei documentos que tinha guardado, fizemos uma exposição, participei nos encontros dos dias das histórias de vida. Acho que a minha vida ganhou outro sentido desse tempo para cá. Tenho andado a contar a minha história aos jovens, tentando mostrar como a vida era dura naquele tempo. Como? Com esperança, trabalho e fé. Tudo se faz. Agradeço às minhas filhas e aos meus netos pela força que têm dado para que os sonhos se realizassem. Estou muito grato àquela equipa que me acolheu, que deu valor à minha história e a tantos homens e mulheres que emigraram e levaram o nome da Madeira por esse mundo inteiro. Quando surgiu a oportunidade deste livro, percebi que era a realização de um sonho. Agradeço à Câmara Municipal do Funchal, a Dra. Ana Bracamonte e a Dra. Cristina esta possibilidade. E agradeço à Dra. Graça, que escreveu este livro, e à Dra. Cláudia, que o apresentou. É muito bom contar com os amigos. Muito obrigado.
It's always great to be in these important buildings, right? They're so pretty, so beautiful. I mean, did you notice the ceiling? You've been in here probably a few times, eh? It's more important than I am, right? That's right. You know what's funny is that I smelled, check, even the wine glass has got the emblem, the Funchal emblem. I think I just dirtied it. Anyway, I smelled the wine. Did you smell the wine when you came in? I was like, it smells like wine, and I thought maybe it's the building, maybe it's the you know, the cellar or something. Anyway, the wine smells great. It's dark, so it's probably a sweet wine. And it's smooth. That's nice. This is not cheap stuff. So thank you, Câmara Municipal, for the great wine. We got to get our book. So we're going to get a book. We're going to maybe get 1 or 2 words from Manny. And we're going to talk a little bit about what's going on. We haven't been vlogging for a while, all right? It's been a couple of weeks. It's been about 6 or 7 weeks because I haven't been able to do any work, basically. Even here, hey, the last 20 minutes, we haven't been able to work. So we're going to talk a little bit about what's on my mind, what's happening in Madeira, where this vlog is going, right? This is the kind of stuff I want to be more involved in, you know? Not that like superficial, this is a bit hard. It's not face value, you know,
Basic.
like basic. Yes, we want to get deeper in to what is Madeira, what is the history of our island and the essence of our islands. If I ever write a book, it's going to be like this. Okay? I'm going to find somebody to write a book for me.
There you go.
Hey? Why did you decide to do it this way? Because you don't like writing? Is it not your strong suit?
That's my secret.
It's your secret.
The reason why I'm here today talking to you people and showing a book is because it was my dream of 60 years since I've been in South Africa as an immigrated in South Africa, and it's been a dream. Not to glorify myself, but to leave a legacy to my family and some, how could I put it to you, some message to the youngsters. That's why I'm going to the schools here in Madeira and transmitting exactly my story, and I'm trying to bring up together immigration to and put it into immigration as well, because Madeira is receiving people from outside the world as well. And I thought of combining the two and giving an example, the way I got integrated in South Africa by the South Africans, by my colleagues, which is 60 years ago, and today we are still friends, about a third of a class of the. And this is my idea, to transmit it to the local youngsters, because if they don't immigrate, obviously they don't have a clue what's going on. So I'll give them an idea, and they're very proud of what I've been doing.
I liked what you said there earlier. It was perseverance, faith, and hard work.
Yes.
Very nice. Resilience.
Never give up and never lose faith.
Thank you very much, Manny.
Thank you so much.
I'll have my book now.
Yes, I'll give it to you now.
And then we're going to talk a little bit more about
Thank you, Jeff.
resilience and faith and all of this good stuff that we're coming to. Thank you, Manny. Perfect. Did you get it, eh?
No.
No? You're going to take another photo just for the video. There we go. It's got big arms, eh? Strong neck. Yeah, very good. My goal, to look like that. Hey? If I need to, I know who to speak to if I need to. But no, it's not my goal. I just want to be fit and healthy, and that's not today's subject, right? But I have been thinking a lot about this kind of thing, so we actually had to change a little bit this video. This video was going to be about something else, and this was going to be just a small section. And then I thought, you know what, I can't do that to my cousin Manny. He wrote this great little book. I can't wait. And actually, this is easy to read, eh? There's not a whole lot, which is fantastic. So thank you for that, Manny. But we're planting seeds. So this is the man, Andreas just told me, the smeador. We're planting seeds here, and why? I wanted this video for some of you who may have watched the last video that we did 6 or 7 weeks ago. I did say that I was a little bit bottlenecked, and this is a little bit of a message to everybody who's coming to Madeira. We are full. Everybody is full, all right? And we at Hit the Road, best tours in the world, are full, right? It's been absolutely crazy, and I unfortunately got quite bottlenecked and couldn't make any videos. And you can tell by the last 2 or 3 videos we did, quality wasn't quite on point. Everything was being rushed and there wasn't any kind of plan. So I just got to the point where I was like, I can't do this anymore. And all of this to say what? That we want to change it up a little bit. First of all, thankfully, our business is a little bit more under control. We're expanding and we're growing, and we've got some new faces at Hit the Road. to support me and the back office. So thankfully we are still doing what we love doing, and I'm still on the road doing what I love doing. But the vlog is back, so my apologies first of all to everybody who has commented on our video and I haven't responded to. There is a million comments that I still need to respond to. Hopefully by the time this video comes out, I would have gotten back to all of you, because I love responding to everybody, and apologies for not responding. But also, not only that, we also got new videos already lined up. So we've got great new videos coming next week. We're going to be taking a boat trip, very special boat trip. We're very excited. Something I haven't done in a very long time, but that's for another video. But what I really wanted to say, and I'm going to cut it short now, less blabbing, we're going to end this off, is that I want to do less of this kind of, this is how you see Madeira, best places to see in Madeira, or less of this touristy stuff, and I want to get really down into the passion kind of side of Madeira. What Manny did here is absolutely fantastic. He's motivating people. He's talking about going to schools and things like that, stuff that I don't have the courage to do. I would love to go to schools and actually tell these kids, be like, listen, you need to work, you need to hustle, you need to be in modern technology, you know, we need to be growing and kind of, you know, sustaining the people and all sorts of things. Look at me, I'm like, I don't even know what to say. But that's the kind of stuff we want to be doing. So that's the kind of stuff you're going to see here, right? If you want to go and see best places to eat and to drink and all that stuff, sure, we're going to show you some of that. But there's already so much of that on our channel, on the internet, on YouTube. So yeah, we're going to try our hardest to bring this vlog to the next level. And on that bombshell, Andre,
let's hit the road.
Let's hit the road. It's time to go home before my wife kills me. It's 7:15, and look, I got a missed call already from probably a client. So I need to call these people back to see if everything's okay.
Do you know what song is on my mind right now?
Is it my poncho face, my poncho face?
No.
No?
It's the I take you in
the easy jet. Yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed that, and for those of you who did, thank you. I promise you that there's more normal stuff coming, okay? No more music videos and things, not for now, right? But that's the next one, my poncho face.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Well, makes sense.
Yeah.
You're announcing into the world.
Hey? Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers, guys.